Big vape for filmmakers. This is vape, smaller than my hand. Today is Iron Man Duck and we have tool review. I can bet that you have one of these things. Ta-da! This cost nothing, I don't remember how, $20, $30, $25, and some liquid, and you can practically make a room, and you see that the fog itself is not so good, it's not a haze, and it disappears pretty quickly. Okay, but it's still $25, and guerrilla filmmaking is cool. But now we have this smoker that creates unbelievable cool and staying haze, and also other effects on which we talk a bit later. Now let me show you the magic. It also has remote control, so you see that it's still going. So yeah, I spent 1 minute and you can see that it's pretty cool and it will stay for a long time. Past more than half an hour. Ta-da! 1 hour. You can still see the haze. Isn't it cool? 1 minute of using this in the room, I don't know, it stay here. And it's very nice consistency. Of course, it needs to be a bit crashed more, but okay. Again, this is a tool review. I don't want to give you a special brand that you need to buy or not to buy. Just the tool that can be useful for independent filmmaking or for filmmakers, for any content creator, I would say. So this first time I saw last year on exhibition, it was Smoke Ninja brand. So this very nice Chinese guys, they create this type of product. I tested it on this exhibition and I fall in love with it. I said I must have it. You just put it in the pocket, have an option to have a smoke on your shooting, but it was a bit pricey. Yeah, but it's still too much. But it was so cool, so I was ready to pay this money. I was just waiting for, I don't know, Christmas or whatever. And then my friend that lives in China said, I bought this. So basically, it's funny to say that, but the Chinese copied from Chinese. And this brand is Ulanzi. And this cost $80. Again, $80. $80, oh my god. This is nothing for this kind of tool. So this, creating the directional fog. So you see the difference is going some. You can put in some direct place, and this is starting outside, so it's not so directional. And this is the coolest thing for tabletop creators and for everyone. Look, okay, again. It stays there. Look, thanks to this. But it's so simple thing. And this is essential tool to have for any kind of filmmaker. It's super cool. You just create 10 minutes fast. There is still everything behind. It's still here. I promise you, with this, it disappeared in 5 minutes. It's just go. This one is the cheapest that I heard of, Ulanzi. There is another one, orange one. There is also some new one on Kickstarter. Just do your research, and I highly recommend purchase one of it that is within your budget. Don't forget to put like and subscribe button, you know, all this stuff, please. Support the channel. See you next week.